we're going to look at the neon effect. And for this one, I will use the type tool to type the text and hit escape to enter type mode. Now let's pick a nice bright color. Something like this will do. In the next step, duplicate the text layer twice by holding the Alt key, then drag it one track above. Then move over to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. You'll find it under Video Effects. Then apply this effect to the third track. After that, search for Camera Blur. And then apply this to the second track. And then inside the Effects Control panel, lower the opacity for the second track to 30% and set the camera blur to 100%. Then select the third track and go to the Gaussian Blur effect inside the Effects Control panel and increase the value. Just play around with it and see what looks best. In the next step, select the first text layer, and then inside the Essential Graphics panel, change the color to a brighter color. Just play around with the colors to see which one gives the best result. In the final step, I'll show you how to create the flickering effect. Make sure to zoom and then switch to the razor tool, and then simply make random cuts of one frame in the second and third track. After that, switch back to the selection tool, and then delete the parts between, and that results in the flickering effect.